Hi everyone, today we will show you how to replace the Headphone Jack Flex on the iPad 9 generation 10.2-inch 2021 model. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. Proper heating is essential to separate the touchscreen from the iPad. For this, we use a heating pad designed for tablets. On the iPad 9, make sure to heat the front side. Select the tablet heating option and leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hairdryer around the edges. Please note that some devices may require extra heating to separate the screen. Once the heating is completed, place a suction cup on the edge of the screen and gently lift to create a gap. Insert a plastic car pry tool or triangular picker into the gap. Then carefully work around the frame to cut through the adhesive. Be careful when you are doing this process. The screen is still connected to the logic board by flex cables. To lift the touchscreen, open it like a book from left to the right and rest it in that position until you remove the LCD screen. Next, take out the LCD screen from the body. First, undo 4 screws securing the LCD screen. And then lift the LCD screen to a 90-degree angle and disconnect its plug by removing the 3 screws and the shield. Next, unplug both touchscreen connectors. And then peel back the tape and lift the latch to disconnect the Touch ID flex. Now the touchscreen assembly can be removed from the body. Next, remove the not working headphone jack and proximity sensor from the body. First, remove the top right shield by undoing 3 screws. Next, disconnect the headphone jack flex and pry the cable. Next, remove the tape covering the sensor flex connector. Then, lift the latch and slide out the cable to disconnect the plug. Next, remove the faulty sensor flex. Next, undo the screw and pull the faulty headphone jack flex from the body. Next, place the new headphone jack flex into the slot and secure it by adding the screw and the plug. Next, place the new sensor flex and secure the connector and the tape. Next, secure the shield by adding 3 screws. Finally, begin installing the front screens. First, connect both touchscreen connectors, followed by the Touch ID flex. Next, connect the LCD connector and secure the shield by adding 3 screws. Next, place the LCD screen on the body and ensure it sits properly in position. Next, insert 4 screws into the 4 corners on the display screen. Next, before clamping the iPad, first ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided pre-cut adhesive. Next, close the touchscreen like a book and place it onto the body, starting from the bottom edge. Then align the top. Press along the sides and bottom to secure it. Apply gentle pressure around the frame and ensure the home button is properly seated and clicks correctly. Next, use screen bonding clips to secure the screen to the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for our videos.